I'm pleased to announce that we are the leaders there. That you take any commodity, whether it is a turmeric or a chili, or whether it is a ice cream or it is meat, we have the solution. We are there in every part of the cold chain other than the transportation. We don't do transport refrigeration, but other than that, we can do anything, and we know that the domain knowledge that if somebody comes to us with the flour, so how that has to be processed and stored, we have the solution. What is displayed here, apart from water coolers, which you are conversant with, even from our school days, which we are the leaders out there. And the deep freezer is meant for many applications. There are bottle coolers and there are deep freezers, and it is meant for storing number of products, but ice cream is the important one that drives. If it is bottle coolers, it may be the beer that drives the market. So we have been investing into this business. A significant investment has taken place in doubling our capacity for deep freezers, with over 130 crores of investment. The factory is coming up in Wada, adjacent to our chillers and commercial air conditioning products manufacturing plant. We are shifting water coolers from Himachal so that Himachal can expand its room air conditioner capacity. That's how we are managing this year till Sri City comes. Here in this factory, those water coolers which were hitherto manufactured in Himachal are going to be manufactured. So, if you take water coolers, we will have a market share of around 32%. These deep freezers are known as chest freezers because of the construction, and we will have around 27% market share. You may see a bottled water dispenser where, in the small ones, that we hold a market share of 29%. In cold rooms, we have a market share of 37%. We entered kitchen refrigeration, where the commercial kitchens for large restaurants, we hold a market share of 11%, in medical around 10%, and in supermarket around 40%. And most of the products, other than certain vaccine related or blood bank related products, are manufactured by us here in India. It is customized for Indian conditions.
This is about brief overview about the company. You all know that we are about 78 years old company. Our revenue is manufacturing plants. The entire dashboard is given in this slide, and you are aware of two-star background. We have state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities spread across the country. Mr. Thakurashan has already announced about Sri City that is coming up in south part of it. The one we are talking today about, the deep freezer manufacturing facility, which is coming up in Wada. The rest of the plants are all there in respective locations, Himachal Pradesh and Ahmedabad, catering to deep freezers, other products. We have predominantly handled three business segments. The first segment that we handle is electromechanical projects, which is more to do with the commercial air conditioning business, that we call it as segment 1. Second business segment that we handle is unitary products, which includes room air conditioners, commercial refrigeration products, entire gamut of commercial refrigeration products, water purifiers, air coolers and air purifiers come into segment 2. Segment 3 is about professional electronics and industrial systems. This is handled through our subsidiary company within Blue Star.